Hello all.
Connected.
Oh! Hello and welcome back to this 636th episode of CarX on the DefNation4Real account. Drift Racing Online. I'm not actually sitting on a shit house, I just actually was cooking, I just was eating actually a little bit from it. It's sweet sour. That's Verzeih's my ocean. I just have a little problem with my actually face, you know, which is gonna be happening. Lamudos Telacundos, welcome back.
Let's have some fun, maybe.
I hate new accounts to create new cars, new paint job, new suspension work. This is the most. Do I cry?
My inside.
Yeah. I was making a prank in the shower, like a program for comedy, right? Like actually you just want to go to a new company and you have these kind of meeting to say, woohoo, I'm here, I'm the new construction worker. And so kind of you cell phoning actually on the day before, and then you come in the next day at half 8 o'clock in the morning time actually to this company, to this construction compound there. Then you see actually 3 people going out of the room, you know, of this house there. It's just starting his day actually at 7 o'clock 30 a.m., you know. It's just kind of everybody's actually flipping his snot out of his actually nose, but holding the other nose side, and then you know, I can't do that right now because I'm embarrassed to say I get nosebleed by that. And so one by one the old one comes out, the younger comes out, and then actually this girlfriend from him comes out, and then the dog actually pissing on the door and turning around shitting actually on the floor then. And everybody comes back actually to the house, and everybody's actually flipping over the shit and all this stuff. So actually kind of comedy, you know. I just was making up in the shower. And in the middle part where actually the old boss was flipping into that, what's it called, small lake there with the goldfishes, because he was vomiting actually, because the girl actually spits in his face, he turned around, he vomit into this actually small lake there with these little goldfishes there, and just, yeah, whatever. So it's very funny. But there was the point where I just was getting nosebleeds by an incident, by actually doing all the times these and these and so I just was getting nosebleed the second time this week actually in the shower. It was very funny, I couldn't hold myself, and at the end kind of, it's not gonna be brighter, it's actually this darker company, but it's actually heller and finsterer. So this is actually weird. I can't actually can't twist that into English, you know, so I'm sorry for that one. Yeah, and after the nosebleed, I do it again, and that was actually fun. And I did it again actually for a couple of minutes ago. Yeah, now I have a little program already. If I'm getting work less on this company, get teached not to come to some of these companies where they're actually snotting in the morning time in his face, in his hoodie, and actually into this goldfish's lake. And what's that calling these? Teich. What's that? Teich of English? Yeah, whatever, this small thing there with the little fishies in there and stuff like that. They're forbidden and can some pooling out and yeah. So I'm afraid right now by nosebleed. Oh, what was the reason I just told you that? Uh-oh. Oh, please no nosebleed. Oh, God, thanks. But some snot is running on the side. Let's do it easily. Because the last days, better say actually the last week now, in this week, last Friday started up to nosebleed, Saturday 3 times nosebleed, 2 times Sunday, Monday 1 times in the morning time. Today is Wednesday, wetness day I always say, because you can wet yourself by beer and alcohol and whatever you just like by your girlfriends. What happened there? It doesn't matter. Nosebleed. Ich hab gepeint, Robbie Salut Gott, du hast dich nicht geschissen oder was auch immer gern machen willst oder reißt doch einmal zusammen da. Ja. So billing to say, I have only 2 cars here right now running. I really want to build up other cars, but my point is to go actually with this kind of career mode in here, and yeah, that is actually a single mode, but not career mode, but even say single mode, to race, drift, whatever. What happened here? Oh, we have in the race option in here. So let's race it. Raise that vehicle, you man. Oh my gosh. This is tight, 2 minutes 21. Also, I have these teeth just was actually plastered last week. Already, actually, these, what's I calling, provisorium actually is out. So coldness, warmness, or some touchings actually by eating hurts because it's actually down actually to that. What's it calling down there? To the nerve, you know. For 1 week ago, actually, my construction worker was saying you must be actually kind of sadistica. She's up kapai. Good night. Oh, that's Burr, guys. Tequila and Smirnoff Ice. Oh. I have no oranges anymore. Normally there needs actually some orange in there as well. Then you can't call it actually Burr, guys. Let's race this mothership. Sweet! Careful loud anyway, by the way. This is louder than Asphalt Legends Unite or something I'm playing. I ordered now a light actually. I will simply actually just say at Sunday, Saturday actually I'm trying actually electronic devices. Rip off actually some lamp from the roof. And try actually to connect it with a new one. I'm a construction worker. I'm willing to say actually I've done everything with whatever it is. Even plumbing, but not electronic. I don't know why. But some days, some in here, you have to try yourself. I was not grown up with my father or something, you know. There was no. So that's why I never learned something like in my childhood. So a little bit shy, this goldfish I am. Cheers, I need to drink again. I have something in my tooth. It's rice, I know, but whatever. Ja, genau. Da fangst du mal an damit. Also, wie der andere da so ein Hoodie rein. Also, ne. Kann doch nicht. Was? Ja, jetzt das mal wieder, Gott, das ist ein Scheißdreck ist das. Oh, it's laut. With the headset by 70%. And I have my earplugs inside actually. What the hell? Oh, nice map by the way. I think make it a great one actually here. That's so cool.
Action!
Forget about it.
Oh my god, what happened here? I think that driver's on drugs or something. Crazy!
Yeah. When he's stepping into the car.
I'm not coming back anymore.
Then you know actually he's dying on the race stage. Sorry, I have some little sour actually on my mouth. Oh, is it vomit already? Puke. Oh, I can't even do that anymore. Here we go. Yeah, my teeth actually. I got a new one actually. The front. That's the problem since actually some months. Oh man. God, das noch geht. Oh, so much. I'm snorted actually because of smoking the last days very much. Ja, alles klar. Cheers.
I think I'm not coming back anymore.
And then actually he's stepping into the race vehicle. Going nuts. No, nuts. Du wärst halt in der Drift, das crack. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot something. The music what I'm listening for in Spotify over my earplugs. I'm going mad aside. I'm so sorry. What kind of a construction company is that? Live! Alles klar. How many times live was in there? 3 times. Live. Oh my gosh.
I think especially today we have a great day, wasn't it?
How many hours we just get already? Let me nosebleed in here. 15, 16, 21. Hey, he was right. And that was actually 2 o'clock already. We say that. It is right. Actually 70 or something. That's wide open clock. Oh, ich fühle mich nicht so gut. Ich muss scheißen oder so. Ah, passt schon wieder. Gehen wir wieder zurück. Hard. What is this? It must be snot. No way. It's vomit. I can show you what happened. I'm so childish. I'm so sorry. Oh, that's the perfume. Oh, I like that. It smells like actually you're going into a slutty house. A slutty house. Well, I hate to buy that one because it's idiotical actually in these going the strange line all the times. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I hate that track, seriously. If you had not in the drift, you need to wait. Money, money. What's with the other vehicle, sir? I really want to build up something. Hold on, what kind? Drifting. There's something. We got drift, right? Let's do it at night time. Oh, ich weiß nicht, glaube ich muss wegscheißen oder so. I'll be right back. Den lasse ich eigentlich noch da. Und jetzt geh scheißen. Oh my god. I have a construction worker there actually. He's actually in this weird land there. He calls Japan or something. Nippon or Nihongo. Or, I really do not care, you know. Bakemono. So he has already 9 hours in front of me. 8 hours. Yeah, 8 hours then, Mr. Construction Manager. If you just ask, I'm sitting on the shit house. Oh, cheese macaroni from yesterday. It's like a stone is coming out. I have birth or something. Oh, whatever. I was saying 9 hours in the morning. He was saying actually 8 hours. Like to say,
I know better than you.
Can't even speak one word or something, this crack. Yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter. I don't care. We have, then I have 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock now in the morning time already.
I'm still shitting pebbles out my ass.
Pebbles. Oh, everywhere my nosebleed was that sprinkles here a little bit, there a bit. Yesterday I cleaned already. Everywhere I find so small little bleedings. It's these kind of from autumn to winter time. Normally it was summer to autumn time. I was getting 2 or 3 days actually nosebleed. I don't know. The whole year, 300 liter actually of tissue actually, I was snotting out. Seriously, snotting out. Not snotting out, snotting. Hardcore, sometimes soft. But from now on, since a week now, if I'm sometimes getting even soft snotting out into the tissue, I get nosebleed. Immediately. Just, what the hell? And you don't even feel it. I think it's, I don't know. Seriously, I really do not know. Since my childhood I had that, as we was going to the forest or something, just slice actually these trees off. Sometimes I'm carrying something and just then I just rub my nose and immediately nosebleed. Oh, that was with 7 years the first time. I thought actually, wow, I'm dying. Oh, my uncle was saying, use your snotty pullover, you know. Don't care about it. It will stop. If it's not working, he was saying, take some snow and pull it into your nose. I did. Melted. Bullshit, you're saying. Bullshit. Hold on. What's that? I don't know. What is actually these towers doing? Huh. Just sneezing actually air out of his mouth, his nose, yo. He don't make moo or just maybe that, but pff, bullshit, crack, bullshit there. Many times he say bullshit. Must be grown up into the moon. High stinking all over the road. Bullshit here, bullshit. Cheers up.
Har man wieder einen lustigen Doktor erwischt, hä? Ja, man muss das an.
Warte was?
Show them your hips.
Oh, I forgot that's the slippery call, right? We have a lot of problems with our vehicle. My mistake. My mistake.
Ho ho!
Vigilantly. Winner.
Stop what you're doing down here!
Yeah, I totally forgot that car is slippy. I don't know why it's so slippy. I have a lot of problems, even at the race options. I don't know. And I even downloaded actually my last blueprint from my DefNation CV account. I think it was all the times like this, but I can't actually figure it out myself because I was driving actually 5 months long as fast Legend Unite. Maybe that's why.
I don't know, I don't care. Zwei? Drei? I'm the counting Dracula! Vier! Need a cigarette! Fünf! I give up!
Grüß meine Mom zugeschaut, die hat gesagt, na, leck mir was verzeiht denn der für ein Schwachsinn? Ist überhaupt mein Mikrofon an? Das ist eine kleine nächste Ansprache. Servus, grüß dich, der Vollidiot! Ja, passt schon, gell? I think my microphone is a little bit loud, but I don't care. Seriously. It's because the car's nasty loud as well. What kind of car's my man? My mate. Take some crazy one. I say, let's take some crazy one.
Let's buy some car, my mate.
Ja, der Reisschüssel da. Rassist. Wo ist denn die andere Reisschüssel da? Jetzt finde ich es nicht mehr. Die ist schon ganz tappe. Region Bean. Where you go? In slow motion. I can't find it. Where's our beautiful car we're driving right now? Where's the Subaru? Meaty. The wrong one. Meaty. Can't be so cheap actually, we couldn't buy it actually before that. There's gonna happen to be an accident with these bimbo, with this BMWs with the bimbos. Enjoy yourself. There it is. Tell me, God for sake's sake. You know, you got the experience, not myself. Orcus was nice to drive, man. Massive agility of power. Ronin was also as well. Let's use the car, man, done. But here, nimble, you already got. Aha. Let's take the shaker in here. I think I get some surprise. Money goes, money comes. This cool ass wide open. Wow, you are shooter listening up, but man. I just uploaded some stuff actually. Let's put those out. Let's catch some notes. We got in here drift. I didn't upload nothing. Are you kidding me? Wow. Hold on, it's ultimate. What do you need? Is that ultimate for racing or ultimate for drifting? Let's watch by these ones. Didn't upload something in here? Are you joking? I did, I know that. Oh, come on. I need to do it by myself then. Anything else in here? Hey, I upload actually every car I just got actually last time on DefNation CB over actually DjVolgin account. You really want to pump me up the action or something, crack? Come on, what the hell? That's fucked up. This green button, right? Where is my... Oh my gosh. I had to go back actually to my... Otherwise to say... Old... accounts actually and just try to find them. Racing. Hey, normally I do racing, obstruct, and don't know, sometimes actually. But nothing in there. Oh, come on. This car is actually for nonsense. Yeah, fuck it off then. Can't be, what the hell? It can't really be. What's going on? Ultimate? 100 maybe? Nah. I'm not on 100, man. I'm not deemed down 100. Okay, whatever. So I need to deem down myself actually, this vehicle. Alright. Racing! Let's make some up. Racing. 4WD, AVD. Finesse. Faster. Should I change something if I don't have an option? Schau das dann später. Bah. Oh man, my jacket is open. That's why it's so cold. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm a bloody idiot. Already done that stuff, right? What should happened? Oh man. I think I puked myself. I just need to go to the toilet. Be right back. Oh. Yeah, I can't find actually my files. I don't know. I just uploaded them, eco, and actually set up. But that was actually for a year ago or something. Så nu kan vi vente. Der er en sjov. Geil. Der er mikro. Talking. This is Sylvester Stallone. Yeah, that's what I'm watching over the night. Talking, I think it was. Tulsa, right? Oklahoma or something. I'm sorry, I'm not actually. I'm from Germany, Bavaria. That's why I was asking myself. That was crack, you know. All right. Let's get me a cigarette. Oh, that music, man.
Pop it up, my friend. Thought I must, by the way. So style.
Čiže obkapáň, našlo, aby si ľudí koľko rozpížnek špím. ...73 Kilometer schon gedriftet? Geht das? Die verarschen mich doch, schau mal her. Das sind 1,5 Stunden Drift. 1,5 Stunden Drift, 73 Kilometer. Kann nicht sein. Da stimmt doch was nicht. Sagt aber 73 Kilometer. Wie ist denn das möglich? Das ist so möglich. Es waren 60 Rennen, okay. Okay, da passt. Aber wie kann das dann nur 1,5 Stunden sein? In 1,5 Stunden 73 Kilometer driften. Ja, okay. Würde hinhauen. Und seit 9 Stunden sind wir aber in Wirklichkeit im Spiel. Und 1,5 Stunden haben wir davon eigentlich nur gefahren. Wie ist denn das überhaupt möglich? I've been in here since 9 hours, 9.5 hours, right? The game says it. How could it be that I just was drifting actually, or racing, in kind of close to 1.5 hour only? Not even. Already by 73 kilometers. But I was 9 hours in the game itself. Was I drunk, sleeping or something away? This is the first time I'm popping up here on this account. Shoot myself, I do not know what the hell's going on. It's crack. Cheers. Okay, man, ich glaube, ich soll gut draußen wegschießen. Do we need a winner prize? This crap? Nah. Nah. Show me your rights. Show me what you got. for sake. The grip is missing, goddammit. There's nobody watching anymore, goddammit. What's wrong with me? Everybody makes mistakes. This is the first time I drive the car with my own setup here right now. What the hell? That's not just a healing setup. I hate people like that that just coming in and just go. This is like community actually almost 4 years long and I'm just coming back and nothing happened. This is all making me piss off, man. Who the hell I'm just talking that anyway? That's a profile right what it is. Ah, it's the 4-wheel, that's why it's not working actually. But it makes no difference doing that. Oh, the gearing is awesome. Nice one. Love it how it works. Wanna step into the car? You should try. Have fun. Once in your life. I know what's the problem. Only by the steering. But the grip, it's getting better. Herrgott Wikipedia. Ja. Oh, that's so crazy. So crazy? Much better. Ring. Ring. Is the Ronin doing that as well? Ring. No. No, no. Crazy. There's only one watcher. Nothing happened here anymore. Close to an hour live stream. I don't know. Maybe it's just the PlayStation 4 I'm playing for. That's sick. Just sick. Anyway, cheers up, Campana Shorty. Så vi skal prøve de next stream. Das reißt auch nicht raus. Alles gut, ich habe schon alles gesehen, was ich wollte. Mach mal so, wie du wolltest, Alter. Auch wenn das Auto vorne dann übersteuert, es interessiert mich nicht. Das ist mir zu gefährlich. Okay, ich probier's jetzt mal so. Nicht schlecht, warum nicht? Here we go. There it goes. Boah, ich wehre mich da so dermaßen. Ich mag das nicht, aber schauen wir mal. Vielleicht hat sich ja die Physik da geändert. Ich darf mich gerne überzeugen von sowas. Alles gut. Schade, keiner zu. Alle haben sie die randlose Schnauze. Und wie viel übertragen überhaupt heute? Keiner, oder? 2 peoples. You second. The other got actually 5 of them. And he's on Twitch, of course. Nobody cares anymore in this game. I don't know why. We do not know, my friend. Ah, well. Stuff happens, called PlayStation 5, and they have maybe CarX D.R.O 2 already out or something. I don't care. I'll wait for the PlayStation 6 and surprise myself. For the last generation, I have better games within an 8K TV as well. When I'm still survive, or just heart attacked actually and died away. Who fucking cares? Cheers up. On the track. Really disappointed about kind of the car, the brakes, you know, the brakes, because too many power in the front, and then the brakes are not actually fitting anymore. They don't want to actually glue into something, actually kind of feeling like 4WD is not maybe the right way, maybe AWD, I'm not sure. Blah, blah. That's a beast, man. 100 kilometers per hour is actually in just 1 point whatever. This is man, that's too much. Yeah. Ich hab keine Ahnung, was ich hier sieht, und Gold brauchst nicht mehr geschissen. Kunne snakke noget overfor. Op det småt over er mange. To that, man. That's the first time I drift in the vehicle, man. So everything's good. Gently, like. Gently. Oh ho ho ho. Camp high. It's actually 5 o'clock and 52 minutes after PM. Right? Yeah, not even 18 o'clock. What the fuck? If he's already like 22 o'clock, seriously. Because at 5 o'clock it's already getting night. Need to grab me some alcohol. I was playing this game 4 years long. Then I was going actually 5 months long to Asphalt Legends Unite. Oh my gosh. I was searching on Rush as I was playing on PlayStation 3. 4 accounts to platinum. That was from Codemaster. I couldn't find because the server's down since a couple of years. So I found actually these Asphalt Legends Unite. I was with it. 5 months long. On 4 accounts. I'm still playing. Definitely. Because I need actually platinum on DefNation CB and DefNation4Real on the PlayStation ID. I'm coming back here right now the third time. This is the third time I'm coming back the last 1 week. And this is so shocking. The physics is so realistic and it makes so much sense. This is so crazy. After more than actually a half year. And this is actually a new account. So you have to create new cars, new setups, new paint shop, blah blah blah. And I was so famous at DefRekka account and DjVolgin account. And now nobody's watching, nobody's doing something, no comments, nothing. There was one on the first episode, I think, on the 634. Somebody asked me about, let's go to the online mode, let's multiplayer. I say no, hey come on, I'm starting up with this account, you know. Are you a piece of something, this crack? That's I'm wondering, that's these 9 hours. Where did I just get that? The 73 kilometers right now by drifting. We got actually 1.5 hour actually by in-game racing, drifting, or whatever it is. That's so weird. Whatever. Cheers up. The time is ticking. Should be actually normally daylight until 9 o'clock. We have close to 6 o'clock in here, but it's winter time. Normally we have that light in summertime until 9 to 10 o'clock, but it's already night time before 6 o'clock PM. What the fuck? It's already night time. If I'm not watching actually these Tuzla King with the Sylvester Stallone action there, and these are kind of actually season 2 and 3 is you need to pay actually $25 for one season actually with the Sylvester Stallone stuff there. I like it. It has no fun or something, but it's like the criminal way and stuff. It's awesome how Sylvester Stallone fits into Tuzla King in Oklahoma, stuff like that. They just filmed that up for 3 years. Respect. Sylvester Stallone found his throne before. Actually, he's getting too old to say actually like Bruce Willis with his how's it calling in English? Yeah, this forgettable stuff, you know, because Bruce Willis is seriously actually a little bit knocked down actually by his brain, and you know. But Sylvester Stallone with Botox and all this stuff in the end, with his shoulder problem and blah 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 here and there, and expendable. High respect how he's fitting in these episodes, and better said to the seasons of that was made of by him to make him actually some knockdown or mafia boss or capo, better say, actually from New York, with these Tuzla King season, better say, or was that a action, I don't know what it is, criminal. This is very perfectly actually an emotion in the end of his life. I like it very much. I thought actually Sylvester Stallone just gave up, but it fits so much to him. I like it. I like this fucking seasons what comes up for me. I'm still watching actually season 1. I'm actually on the episode 7 and there's 9 I think. Even they are 40 minutes long, lovely. Seriously, he fits very much into this. Respect. He have a good agent, something like that. Or maybe he don't need an agent anymore, but seriously, nice. One of the best this year I just watched on the seasons, ever. Simpsons is actually Warner Brothers. But I said Disney, Simpsons is just out for me. Family Guy, the same shit. And that's actually it. It's something that was coming middle of the life or something, or what was it calling actually with these scrubs janitory there? In middle of my life or something. I can't remember this title anymore, but that was actually not bad as well. But that is actually 6 years or 9 years old or something. I watched it, I liked it very much. It's like actually a 4 to 5 or 5 to 5. But his Tuzla King with Sylvester Stallone is a 5 to 5. Definitely. Respect. And this year I actually grounded up by these stars. Games like to say how I like or not like, dislike. Not much. Not much. Seriously. This games industry is just falling down. Seriously. Are we drifting? Yeah. I'm very pissed off about this game industry right now. They're bringing too much games out there, and we just have to be abused about that one to watch them. Halo, Silent Hill was awesome. Alone in the Dark was a piece of shit. And kind of these Resident Evil stopped. They tried to make a new upcoming stuff like to rebound this one somehow. I really do not want to speak about that one. Here actually Fallout. Yeah, I watched actually Fallout the season 1 on the episode 1 and 2, and I disliked it. I didn't most try to watch forward actually on Netflix anymore with this. This Fallout is just no. Not funny. It's, I know what they try to deal done to from a game into a movie, or better say actually to episodes. Forget about it. The Witcher is something else. I did watch a new one, Witcher, about season 3 or 4. I wish it's going better with magic, with effects and all this stuff. But as I watched actually the season 1, 2, and 3, or was it 3? I'm not sure anymore. I stopped it by 2. This product and this better, the artist actually was gone. So they actually rejected for a new person. And that's why I'm not watching forward anymore. In honor. But I'm watching actually some documentaries actually about your American presidents. You people have to know I'm from Germany, Bavaria, and I'm not watching actually very much. I'm not actually zero watching German TV, only on YouTube actually, or better say on these special sites then. On the RD, ZDF or something like this, or Extra Free or something like that, VR. Watching these German, Bavarian, but mostly I watch actually American or Japanese TV on computer systems. So there's no TV anymore for myself since more than 8 years now or something, or 9 years. I'm so glad to have actually this internet. Since actually 22 years now? Something like that. 21 years. Let's say 21 years. To be sure. Better than the normal TV. Cheers up. Camp high. Salut, salut, skål, prost, dich nächstim. Skål. Gambarimasu. Come on! I have cold fingers. $155. Exactly. But come on. Yeah, I get stretched with the fence. Come on. A 1 minute and 55 exactly. What is this?
Poison them all.
The look is never changing, right? That was looking crazy. I like that. That's the drift mode. The drift mode, not the razor street mode. Well beloved. I think I'm getting just old. I have a thumb problem, it's just caught it in the middle one. These nosebleed. Getting cold. My fingers are cold. No love, no like, no love. Yeah, no love is meaning actually to not actually talking very much to people anymore. I should stop actually talking. I just should talking actually not anymore on construction work. How necessary it is, and then you just talk. That's it. I was so speechful. In 3 languages fluid. Not anymore. It's done. I'm crippled. It's a bit actually the dentist. It's a bit in here by drifting and here and there, but actually find a new game. The construction work, I don't know. I've been actually a single guy actually since my whole life. Just been a helper person as a Pisces. That's actually all. Nobody cares about me. Nobody cares about me. Fuck it. Even my English is getting worse. My Japanese is just gone. I do not care anymore. Don't draufgeschissen. I think sometimes, every day I'm waking up, hey, we have work to do done on construction work. At the same time I'm thinking about nobody, you know, interested about what are your feelings, what are your... Generally, actually to say, I'm actually the leader today, they just give a fuck. Nobody gets younger. And I'm together actually with construction workers, they know actually myself. If I have a plan, make it. You'll be free. But sometimes they don't care. They don't ask for something about behind, in front of it. What next day? What's this day actually be getting done until actually 2 o'clock or something? They don't care. They ask themselves actually, where is my construction tools? And I say, yeah, I found everything like what you want, but I'm getting older and I feel like every year you're tricking me. 2 to 3 times in a year you ask where your fucking construction tools are, and you get actually these tools from the construction manager over the company, where I pay for my construction tools actually by myself, and I have it over actually 10 years plus. What is this? They don't care. And I'm just I don't know what it calls. I'm not a corpus on this crack. I'm nothing. I'm watched from them. I'm not even learning, they learn from me. And then they're starting up to say, oh, I lost my tools, I lost this one, I have a problem here and there. They just not actually say to yourself actually, I have to go to the subway and just keep up someone. They're just not there then. I was saying, like, what the fuck? Well, you didn't talk about me, Dad. Everybody's talking about you. The construction manager, the boss or something. Everybody asking where you was. I'm writing the hours on the construction side. I'm dealing on the material, writing it down in the book. And I'm going home after the woodcut facility actually to refill it every 2 days right now because it's cold. And they just... I'm going home, it's too cold. Yeah, wonderful. Thank you very much for the audience. And then I ask myself, what the fuck I am? I'm a construction worker or a manager and working at the same time. Sometimes double times more than you. To drink and actually smoking your cigarette is like nonsense. They're sitting down and don't talk to you. You make the jokes. You make this parody, jokes, sarcasm actually to them. Before they actually answer it and like, oh yeah, that was a good one actually, or something like, you know? That is weird. I know they're getting older. And they're over 50 and stuff like that. How the hell I am ending up? Since more than 19 years now I'm smoking my cigarettes and drinking alcohol since 20 years. What the fuck? I'm 38. Not getting younger as well. I feel misshifted in here. This construction thing is not actually my part anymore. I don't want to sit in a biro my ass off by actually typing something in the computer or something. I want to be before actually being done. Actually, I just want to tell them how to... I don't know, I just want to be... I want to work. Since my 6th year I started up to work. No joke. I'm from Bavaria, Germany. I don't know. Is that a deal or something? And they're talking crap, like easy shit, like they couldn't actually handle like in 10 years, by 10 years or something, they're starting up with this. What the fuck? I was all the most like actually 90% alone. Starting up to make myself actually a little bit high. Okay, I'm not in the kind of the... whatever, I don't want to talk anymore. Okay? Fuck it. I hate myself. I just want to get actually really... I hate God since 6 years. I hate my life since my 6th year. Why is this happening like that? Yeah, father-mother problem. If you get a stepmother and ruin your life, you got it. But I should actually grown up actually in New York or something, this crap. For the rough world. I was growing up actually wrong. I couldn't know as a young boy that my father is actually 6 days in a week not there for you. My mother actually tried all the time to help us out. But she was actually there actually since I was 6 years or something. She was gone. No, 5 years maybe. I was alone. Only my sister around. With 8 years I just was saying actually go to your mother. Had no sense actually with the stepmother. She ruined your life and stuff. Now my sister is blaming herself and she know that. You can't find fix into a job or something because there was no father and mother figure actually there for her. I'm a male. I mean, I loved it actually to help out all the times. So that's why I'm still actually in the business in this work. With so many problems around me, I fix it up by myself or just ask actually a construction manager or my uncle. That's it. There was no father. Okay, the patchwork family, in 3.5 years I was in patchwork family. Between 12 and actually 15.5 years I was in this time. They helped a lot, but they have no, I have to say they're all around females too much. They didn't respect me, and I tried to respect them, but no chance actually to make some friendship with them. There was only one girl or two girls actually with the respect what I just deal done actually in these 2 days, on Saturday, Sunday or Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I just worked out on my uncle's side every 2 weeks. And the other 2 weeks actually on them. to help them out with work. That's child work. 9 years child work, actually. If you say like that, if you're just watching over that. If you starting up with 6 years to 15.5 work, you say actually that was before actually this kind of construction school was coming up. That was child work. But I love to do work. Here and there, some money in there, but was stolen actually by my, stepmother. Even after the army time, in the army time, she was stolen me actually a gold watch by more than $1,400. She just stole that, as I was 2 weeks actually away on this military side. Fucking hate. And still, I'm single. My life is a piece of shit. I wish so much actually having a gratitude, actually nice, educated girlfriend around on me. She say, okay, stop that stuff, don't drift, don't do this stuff, actually racing or whatever you're dealing done with the console. Let's have a walk, let's run around. Stop smoking, stop beer drinking, stop alcohol drinking. Do something about your music, it was awesome maybe, or something like that, Get a comedian or something, I don't know. So many talents are just wasted away. I saw it today actually in the shower. Even I was getting nosebleed by this joke, I was laughing hard. I'm actually kind of a little genius. Not idiotly, but I know what I am, Shit, actually living in Japan since more than 7 years now. But I couldn't. That's why it pisses me off a little bit that actually some construction worker from the construction manager's son is being in Japan right now making vacation. Or something like vacation, but whatever. So, he should be learning actually a lot of me, actually, where we have to go and what kind of say the tricks actually, the manuals actually say what we have to do. He's just been a German. He have a mind and stuff, but I'm not sure what his mind is. He never asked me to go to, Japan. This is so unfair. I mean, I got the money for that. I went to the trip actually for 2 or 3 weeks actually to Japan. About these $3,000 or $4,000. It doesn't matter. No problem about that one. Life is unfair. The most I have to say, since 9 to 10 years, or actually 11 years, the construction manager itself is a father existing person for me. The same it was actually over 15 years, my uncle was the father figure. And the rest of these 6 years, he was there, of course, but after 6 years, 7 years, he was not actually more there. He was actually saying, boy, just get me the money back. Because the the stepmother just was stealing the money and all this stuff. And even I earned the money on the hops garden. She stole that. And all the times, where's the money? Where's the money for the where's the money actually for the children? He just was getting from stepmother to father. I didn't steal it, but he all the time thought I stole it. I was even making money at the same time by my uncle's side, on the hops garden, the pig farm. I hate my father. He's the worst person on earth. Right now, no. Putin and actually this Trump is a piece of shit. It's a little cake instead of my father figure. He didn't learn me something. Nothing. Actually nothing. I learned from my uncle the first time, Patrick family father, and then by myself. As being on the construction side. Life is a piece of shit. and all around these pieces of shit, making war, killing peoples every day, 100 peoples, 1,000 peoples, like Putin, like Trump, like the Nigeria or Niger in Africa, North Korea. I wish them the worst in hell, and I should be actually, I hope so much, the manager in hell, to have a long time to kill and to make them suffer over years, over decades. And my stepmother will be there as well, to be actually executing them every second with a lot of pain. Mitsubishi, I love you. One of the first car actually in the rally. I'll be right back, need to go to pee. Macaroni? No, not today. Iolata. Good greens. Good greens. Beans. Nice. Kill them immediately. Some bosses just as you from a rocker or just actually something else. The bikers, I just want to kill immediately actually boss. Get this problem on my world. I'm not a criminal. I'm a helping dude. I'm helping persons. Come and kill them. All this stuff. Literally, I should stop actually my smoking and drinking then. And having fun and life to kill people. That's maybe another passion I just actually want to go. stick to the fucking line until people's. Influencer I never want to be go. Bullshit. Not making money. You need actually friends for that to open up your life. Getting bigger. Fuck. Better I should die before I go to influencer. Nobody cares about me anyway. Right? Thanks anyway by actually having you guys. Arigato mohontai. I'm sorry, my microphone is too close to my mouth. Close to eat it? What the hell is that? I'm not a mushroom. Yeah, there, we got something for you. You say it's slipping too much, right?
Yeah.
Slipping too much. Slipping too much. Slipping too much. Profile. What'd you say? He's a real wild one. Real wild one. Got a lot of messages, man. Yog Mall. Imperator General should actually watch his mouth. What he's talking about. He has nothing under control. These coppers are dealing down that stuff. That's like actually I'm dealing down with, right? There was pipes actually I could cut through, but I'm not an idiot. So I was saying actually 5 to 6 centimeters with the flex hold. I just was actually cutting through actually these concrete there. I'm not an idiot. Another one actually cut it through, and we have actually a pipe open. They say actually alright, they close it up, but if they just want to pump it up again, then the water's running and we already finished done. Wonderful. So I'm not an idiot. She's up combined, that's probably so it's called the next beam. I think I could just get drunk or something in the next hour. God thanks. The wild one.
Mick.
He's just been, oh, baby. That's just a wild one. Oh my gosh. That German English. Come bottom us. Schaut eh keiner mehr zu. Alle Schwachköpfe. Seid der letzte Haufen Dreck. Ich hab keinen Bock mehr für euch zu livestreamen, Alter. Es ist nicht meine Mission, dass ich hier livestreame. Ich dachte, okay, vielleicht kriegen wir zu Leute in Gefangenschaft. Dass ich mal sage, okay, hier, hab auch ein bisschen was. Es bringt gar nichts mehr. Ich gebe auf. Ich glaube, das wollen die auch. Dass solche Vollidioten wie mich es gar nicht mehr gibt. Wird Zeit für einen Amoklauf. Autos anzuzünden oder von der Nachbarschaft die Leute einfach zu töten. Es wird Zeit. Wird Zeit. Ich habe durchgemacht. Sehr viel. Und ich werde schaffen, das ist kein Problem für mich. Und so verdeckt einfach zu töten. Passt schon. Machen wir schon. Kriegen wir schon. Wenn sie kein Geld bekommt, dann muss er stehlen. Macht doch 80% der ganzen Welt, Alter. Leute töten, Titten abschneiden, Fotzen abschneiden, zunähen. Haben ihren Spaß dabei zu foltern, Geld einzupressen. Das ist die einfachste Arbeit. Anstatt mal richtig wie ich hart zu arbeiten. Es wird Zeit, Leute umzubringen. Drauf geschissen. Nur für Geld. Das Geld auszugeben und Spaß zu haben. Das wollt ihr doch alle, oder? Das wollt ihr doch alle. Ich sollte anfangen bei den Influencern, aller komplett diese ganze Generationen, die letzten 3 Generationen, wo ich schon in der 4. Generation bin, diese Influencer zu töten. Vor der Kamera. Die Kehle durchschneiden. Solche Sachen. Es wird mir da wird mir sehr viel Spaß machen, erfinderisch zu sein. Wird Zeit. Spaß zu haben. Mit dem Taxi mich hinter, da fährst du hin und hast eh schon alle Adressen. Fangen wir bei den großen Nummern an und gehen dann langsam runter. Dann gehen wir nach Russland, nach Japan, nach Amerika, nach Kanada. Und zum Schluss endlich geht dann einfach nochmal runter Frankreich, Sao Paulo, Brasilien. Und da lasse ich mich beerdigen. Das ziehen wir durch. I don't know exactly what I'm buying for.